A dog.
Here's a tail. Who is wagging its tail? Here's a tongue. Who does this red tongue belong to? Here are legs. Who do these brown legs belong to? Who is barking? A dog! It's Lucky the dog! Yippee! Woohoo! Hello, big dog.
Where are you going?
Oh, there you are. Two smaller dogs. Look, it's four little puppies on top. A big dog. A smaller dog. A little puppy.
By the kennel near the tree, by the kennel near the tree. In the fields we go and play on a bright and sunny day. And by the kennel near the tree, who do we see? Ruff, Ruff, who can it be? Ruff, Ruff, who can it be? The friendly doggy called Lucky. The little dog laughs and plays.
In the fields he runs around. The little dog laughs and plays, and he barks out loud.
He wags his tail and looks at us. He barks out loud, ruff, ruff, ruff. He wags his tail and looks at us. He barks out loud, ruff, ruff, ruff. He wags his tail and looks at us. He barks out loud, ruff, ruff, ruff. He wags his tail and looks at us. He barks out loud, ruff, ruff, ruff.
Bye-bye, dog.
Join BabyTV. Subscribe now.